Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Mountain lions make little noise in the woods. When they do, they often sound like a person whistling or a bird chirping. When they growl, they sound like an overgrown house cat. Kittens have a raspy, loud purr.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If the cougar scoots off, then get out of the area quickly. If it follows you or acts aggressively, don't back down. Be loud, bare your teeth, and maintain eye contact. Keep making yourself as large as possible, and start thinking about what potential weapons you might be able to use. A walking stick is a good option.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.